channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So let's get into this video. It's going to be part 3 of my huge Vera Bradley Disney Beauty and the Beast haul drop that they did, that I bought $1,000 worth of stuff. So today we have a lot more pieces with the last video, but we'll go a little faster because these are smaller pieces. So I have on display the stuff I've already shown. On here, on the TV here is playing part 1. If you guys want to go watch. I put this series in its own little playlist for the 3 videos. Just in case you want to watch just the 3 videos in a row. I thought that would be fun. So it is also in the Vera Bradley playlist, but it's in its own playlist as well. So the playlist is on right here, but this is only one video. It's only one video. So Robert, you can turn it off because
okay,
they can find it. It's going to be under my playlist as the special Disney Vera Bradley drop. So it'll be 3 videos by the time this video is up. You'll have the whole 3 in a row that you can watch. So, how is everyone doing? Thank you all for stopping by. And again, I am Tera if you're new here. Please hit that subscribe, and thank you to everyone who has been here past the 3 years now that I've been doing unboxing and bag videos here on YouTube. I want to say thank you to my regulars who have been supporting me. I can't say I ever thought I would be a YouTuber, and I don't really consider myself a YouTuber because, you know, I'm doing this for fun. And I so appreciate all of you who have been here watching my videos. I mean, I so appreciate all of you. So thank you to everyone who has been here. And if you're new and you stumbled on here from the title, or it was referred to you because you're a Vera Bradley lover or a Disney lover, thank you for stopping by. Please consider hitting that subscribe. I do have a lot of fun videos here on my channel. I mostly do a lot of Dooney and Burke, and I have a whole playlist of Dooney and Burke as well. I will attach on the bottom all my fun playlists for you guys to go check out. So, right. What we have for today is, so I want to show you guys, I do have the receipt of everything I ordered. My son's going to bring it a little closer. This is the packing slip they sent, so you guys can see the prices, because I got a lot of messages of the prices of everything. So this is the prices of what I ordered. Okay, so my son will show you guys. Or you could stop and forward, but here we go, Robert. Thank you. So it's 2 pages.
Ooh, it's kind of glary.
Okay, so that's the one.
Yep.
And then that's the other. Is it showing? Yeah.
Yeah, it's showing.
Okay, so you guys can stop and see what I paid for each item. It did come out to like $1,000 and something for the tax. So the most popular is here on display. I have my Mrs. Potts and Chip. Chip is here representing. Was this, I want to say a lot of people wanted to see this again. This is the makeup case. It is beautiful, guys. I can see why people are sending a message that they wanted to see it close up again. Okay. So again, I bought 2. Well, they're both on display, even though one is a gift. I have to wrap it up and give it back after my display has been taken down. So that is the most popular so far of the items, guys. The rest are here. And now we're going to jump in. Today I'm going to show you, so this is 2 of them. One was for me, so one is mine. So we have 1, we have 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces of the Belle collection. I also have a little Mickey Mouse. I'll throw that in. We'll do that first, so you guys can see. For those who like Mickey, I am starting to enjoy all my Mickeys. Actually, right now I'm in my my Bambi. For some reason, I've been on this Disney kick for a while. I'm actually in my beautiful Loungefly Bambi. I'm so enjoying it. Okay, so this one is, God, I can't see, zip ID case. Okay, and it's in Mickey and Minnie. I think I got a good one. Look at the shot on this.
That is good. Yeah, you actually got a Mickey Mouse that's not clipped off.
He's not cropped at all. Look how cute that is. This also dropped the same day with the Belle collection. I think I got one of the Belle too. Yeah. But I had to get the Mickey too. I was like, why not get a Mickey? Because I have a lot of Coach Mickey pieces. I have a lot of Vera Bradley Disney pieces. So why not? You can use it with anything. It's a little zip ID inside here. Nice and roomy for everyone who doesn't like to carry a lot. Like one of my sisters, she loves to just carry like this. Just throw her stuff in there and go. She doesn't do the whole bag thing like I do. Look at this. Yeah, they're very convenient. Put it in your pocket. And then it has a little ring. You can hang your keys. I mean, they're very fun little pieces. Yeah, this is the Mickey and Minnie.
Did you guys know that in real life, the voice actors of Mickey and Minnie from the original cartoon were married?
Oh, no, I didn't know. Did you know? No. Okay, so thank you, Robert. That's interesting. Okay, so this one is the, what is this, cosmetic case. So this is a cosmetic case, and this is a cosmetic case, okay? So this is more of a cosmetic case that everybody uses. Look at this. I have a fun idea me and my son came up with. I might do that video for you guys, showing you my cosmetic case. So that's going to be a fun video to look out for. It'll probably be in next month's stuff. Here it is, guys. Look how cute. Soft, squishy. Oh, I just love the way Vera Bradley does the quilting.
The great thing about their stuff is that you can put them in like boxes. If you don't use them, you don't have to worry about them getting like squished, right?
Yes,
Because they're
the
so
packability.
Soft. Yeah.
That's what my son is saying, yes. Because he has to pack away a lot of stuff and unpack.
Yeah, because
and we'll talk about that in next month's
the other bags
video.
we were worried they were going to chip and break and you know, they would like
Soaked.
scratch. Yeah.
So this is the inside, guys. It does have that clear coating around it to keep it safe. It has a window pocket. So you have a divider. On this side of the divider, it is a beautiful fabric. So that is a lot of room for a average person's makeup case. So yeah, that is pretty. Although I did order one for myself too. This is for my daughter. She's actually going to use it for her pencils and pens. She likes to use these for that. So that's a great use for these if you don't like do makeup.
That's a nice new home for them. Do you know where their current home is? It's just a random Tupperware box.
Yeah.
It's a big upgrade.
So this is a second piece, guys. We'll put them here. See if we can zoom through everything. I'm going to put their packaging back into themselves because I like to keep their packaging. Okay, so that was one. The little Mickey. Okay. Next up we have a wallet. Right, this is the wallet, yeah. It's a Belle Floral. So this is called Belle Floral, guys. And this is just a regular wallet. Yeah, wallet. That's all I can see. You know, I didn't order a bag. I just realized I'd have to go and get me a tote bag or something.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, there is no, I guess, plastic bag.
Well, the bag I ordered is this one. You
Yeah.
know, so, I mean, I guess I could use it with it. Look how cute. So this one has the same as this design on it.
Same pattern, yeah.
Yeah. I can't read the patterns, guys. I'm sorry. My eyes are bad. But it's two patterns. Look how cute this is. This is their wallet. It has a zipper in the back. Quilty good cuteness. Of course, you don't have to use these pieces with themselves. You can use it with your other bags. Like, I'm going to use some of these with my Dooneys. Why not? So wallet. What's it saying? Bell Floral Cameo. Okay, so Floral Cameo is the coloring on this one. Okay, so it has the zipper.
You know what's a funny? I just have a funny idea. Your daughter has like a bookshelf of books and stuff, and I think that Beauty and the Beast purse is just well made enough that if you slid it into the bookcase, she might actually think it's a real book. And be
It
like,
looks
"That's
like a book. I
Yeah.
love that. I love that.
Like, this isn't a book.
Look at this, guys. So many card spaces. Two-sided. So you have one pocket, two pocket, and we have the here, which is the...
We're not sponsored by Disney, by the way.
We're not. No, I paid for this myself.
Unless, of course, they want to
So
be.
I'm here if you want to.
Disney Plus.
So this is where you would put your ID, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 slots on this side. This side again, it has the back pocket, another pocket, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side. That is so
Wow, there's
cute.
7 pockets in there?
On each side. So 6 and 7.
Wow.
That's really good. Very, very nice. Very user friendly. I think you could put a lot in here. Put your cash in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's beautiful. And then you put your coins in the back. That's some great design. Robert, you want to bring it forward so they can see the difference in the print? So again, this one was the Cameo. And I forgot what this one was called. Let me see, is it on here? Petite Floral. Belle Petite Floral. Okay, so that's Cameo, and this one's Petite Floral. So there's 2 different designs that they have going. Cute. Okay, good. We're zooming through for our part 3 of our mega unboxing. This was fun, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
Yeah. I was like, when I got my order, I was like, oh my god, I did not. But now that I opened them all, I mean, I don't feel like it was a lot. 16 pieces, but I don't feel like I bought enough. I might go back and buy the, bag for me. And now this one is a zip around wallet. Not a coin case. Remember, this is the coin case. So this is a zip around wallet. Look how cute. Oh, the attention to detail. Look at this. It has for you ready to go. You can remove this and if you like and attach it here. I do that myself. Beautiful zippers. The zippers match. What is this one called? So this one is the mini pouch. Clip and zip mini pouch. Yeah, it's very cute. Look at that. Inside is beautiful. So inside fabric is the other fabric. So take it forward, Robert, so they can see it. So the inside is the reverse. That is really cute. You see there on the outside?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. Very, it has a pocket in there. Show them the pocket. Higher.
Not like that, yeah.
Very nice. Okay. There you go, guys. And that is that piece. It's beautiful. Aren't they lovely? I want them all. But no, they're not all for me, guys. Most of these are gifts. My daughter is going to give gifts to her friends. I have a lot of nieces.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, most of these are gifts. And then I thought this would be fun to buy. This one is... God, I hope there's another tag in there somewhere, but look, I had to get it, guys. It's the clock. I don't know what his name is. Does anybody know?
No, I don't,
It's the
unfortunately.
clock. Look, how here, take it
I wanted
forward.
to say it's something with a worth in it.
This is a zip around.
Biggles or something like that, yeah.
Look at how cute. It's a zip around. Isn't that adorable? I had to get it. You want to check inside, Robert? See if it has a name? I don't remember the name. How bad.
No, it doesn't say his name. I
terrible.
can't believe I remember his name. That's so
Okay.
bad.
He's the clock guy.
The clock guy. You go.
He's in that beautiful mauve, purpley, pink color. So inside here is the zipper. Here is for your ID. And it has the opening inside for your other cards. And yeah, there is no name on it, which is weird.
That's
I wonder what it
strange.
was called. I forgot his name and I can't read what it says here. Liberty Bell? No, that's not right.
No, that's not his name, is it? That can't be right.
Liberty Bell is what it's called. But no, he's the clock guy. If anybody remembers. And this is my last piece, guys, that I got. And this is the candelabra. Do you know the candelabra's name?
That's Lemire. Yeah, it's Lemire.
Okay. We gotta watch it.
Yeah, we have to rewatch it.
Look how cute. Here, take that forward.
I don't think the clock has a singing number. That's probably why I don't remember.
Look at that. It's so cute. Don't move too fast.
Yeah.
That is so cute. Come on. So cute. I had to get these. I might keep for myself. We'll see. These two are keepers for me because why not? And this one is in that soft blurple again, bluish tone. As you can see them next to each other. One is more purple. One is more blue. Zipper. So this is like that coin case, the zipper coin case. And inside of this one is the same fabric, yeah. So very cute. So there you have it, guys. The last of my Vera Bradley Beauty and the Beast drop. I hope you enjoyed my series here. It is a 3-parter, guys. I will have all 3 of them in a playlist on the bottom. Separate playlist from my regular Vera Bradley playlist. So I will link both.
Oh, I was
both
right.
of
His
them.
name is Cogsworth. It was something worth. Yeah.
Okay.
Because he has
and this
the
one's name is
Lemire.
Lemire.
Yeah.
Okay, so Cogsworth and Lemire. Okay. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed. What do you think of the pieces? Did you get any? Did I inspire you to go take a look, guys? Was there anything that caught your eye in my 3 videos? What do you think? Let me know on the bottom. I would love to hear from you guys. And the Mickey Mouse, that's separate. And all these other pieces. And of course, I'll give you a toast with Chip.
Mm-hmm.
Chip, you're very, very famous on this series. Everybody's always asking about you. They want to know if I got a discount because you were Chip, but no, because if I said he was Chip, they were not going to sell it to me.
Yeah.
So I said he's not Chip, so I could buy it. I wish he wasn't expensive. Look, it's only $10.
Yeah.
He's well worth every penny. Thank you, Chip. This was a wonderful, wonderful series. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you're new here, please subscribe. Here you have it, guys. What $1,000 at Vera Bradley will buy you. Not much. Not much.
Yeah, but not much.
I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.